Imagine yourself in this Ram 2015 1500 Big Horn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, charge-only remote USB port, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0 AM/FM VT, air conditioning, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.